Hey Nicole, so if you're probably watching this right now, I'm at my NHS meeting. This is your assignment for today. I'm going to be showing you what you have to do, and exactly how to do it. Um, I left video notes, which means that you should be taking notes on this for a grade. Remember that tomorrow is Friday, and so today is the last time that you can turn in work for tomorrow. Remember that you do have to get a 90 or higher to get your prize. Um, I'm going to give you four Academy questions. Then I'm going to give you a video check, um, and that's along with your notes. I might give you another practice worksheet, but we'll see. Um, so let's begin. We're going to find each letter individually. So first, let's find A. To find A, box A, you have to multiply 40 times 50 or 50 times 40. Either one works. You just have to multiply those two. And we know that 50 times 40, let's take a look. 50 times 40 is 2000. Yeah, 50 times 40 is 2000. So let's just write this down because we're going to add up A, B, C, and D all together to find the answer. So we know that A is 2000. Now let's find B. To find B, you multiply 40 times 3. So 40 times 3. So B is equal to 40 times 3, which is equal to 120. 40 times 3, let's make this better, is 120. C, to find C, we do 7 times 50, or 50 times 7. 50 times 7 is 350. And then D, to find D, we just do 7 times 3. 7 times 3, 3 is equal to 21. So our next step here is to write everything in our boxes. We said that A is 2000. We said that B is 120. We said that C is 350. And D is 21. Then it's going to ask you, what is the total area? To find the total area, you're going to add all these values up. So everything here, add them up. So you're going to be adding 2000 plus 120 plus 350 plus 21. So let me go ahead and add that up now. 2000 plus 120 plus 350 plus 21. And that is equal to 2,491 for the final area. And this would be the answer, 247 times 53. Cool. So I know that you do understand this topic. So I will not show you how to do this one. But I will put the answers up. This is on your piece of paper. Write practice. Write this. PP for practice problem number 1. All right. For practice problem number 1, it's this one right here. I'm going to give you another practice problem. Here we have practice problem PP. Practice problem number 2. So both of these problems are 5 points each. So this is the practice problem assignment. will be 10 points. Make sure that you are showing your work, and then I'll go over them with you if you happen to get them wrong. Make sure that you take notes on paper for this video. Make sure that they're ready by the time I get back, because they are last grade. Make sure to show your work for the quiz that you have. Um, so our agenda basically is, number one, I'm going to give you a do now regarding same topic that we did yesterday. Number two, you're going to get a con, which is this same thing, like 4 problems. Then you're going to do these two 5-point practice problems. Then you have your quiz. The quiz is another 50 points, so make sure that you get everything right. Do your best. It's your last chance to get your laptop prize or $10 prize for Friday. If you have any questions, you can always text me. I will have my phone. If you don't have my number, it's 203-545-2067. Alrighty, Nicole, I know you can do this. Good luck. You're smart. Enjoy. Have fun.